In today's video, we are going to learn about the importance of carbon. And the subtopics that we are going to cover in this is the introduction of carbon. What is its significance or importance? What are some of the examples that we can see in the importance of carbon? And then there is a quiz for you guys waiting in the end. So let's start. Okay, so importance of carbon, as you can see that carbon, this is basically the structural, we can say formula of carbon. Carbon is the basic element of organic compounds, right? It is the basic element of the organic compound. Due to its unique property, it occupies always the central position in the skeleton of life, right? इसकी यूनिक प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं जिसकी वजह से हमेशा इसको एक सेंट्रल पोजीशन मिलती है इन द skeleton of life. So why carbon is important, right? The question is that carbon is tetravalent. It can react with many other non-elements and form covalent bond. So what does mean by tetravalent? Tetravalent is this. See, one, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the structure that is showing you that carbon is tetravalent. ठीक है इसके जो हैं चार साइड पे इसके बॉन्ड होता है that's why it is called as a tetravalent in nature, and due to this it can form covalent bond with many other compounds, right? So उसके बाद what is covalent bond, right? The question next that arises is what is covalent bond? So covalent bond result when two atoms complete their electron by sharing some of the electron, like when two atoms, this one is the hydrogen atom, this one is the hydrogen atom, here is an electron, here is an electron. Now they share their electrons, right? They share their electrons, they complete their electron shell by sharing their electrons, and they are forming a bond between them, and this bond is called as the covalent bond, right? ऐसा बॉन्ड जो कि दो एटम्स बाय शेयरिंग देयर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बनाते हैं, वो वाले जो बॉन्ड को हम कहते हैं उसका नाम होता है कोवलेंट बॉन्ड. उसके बाद जब कार्बन एटम कंबाइन करता है फोर एटम या रेडिकल से, तो वो एक हमें टेट्राहेड्रॉन की शक्ल में नज़र आता है और ये हमें एक स्टेबल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन देता है. ठीक है. और ये जो हैं ये तीन स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं कार्बन के. द कार्बन कैन इट फॉर्म वेरी म्यूचुअल, ये सारे स्टेबल स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं. They are stable structures, and they are branch, like this one is the branch, this one is the unbranch, and they can be ring structure, right? So जो carbon atom है they form mutually stable branch or unbranched chains or ring. So the ability of carbon responsible for the vast variety of organic compound, and CC bond form a skeleton organic molecule. CC bond like this one, like this one, like this one, these all, then this one, right? So all these CC bond they form a skeleton organic molecule as it can be shown in this slide, right? Here we can see that it is making a bond with the hydrogen atoms, right? One it is in the unbranched chain, one is showing the ring structure, and the other is showing the branch chain structure. Then there is the quiz time, right? So, carbon is what? It is divalent in nature. Divalent means that it has two sides from where it can make bonds with the other atoms. Tetravalent, like it has four sides from where it can make bonds with the other atom. Monosaccharide, or it is monosaccharide. So, as we have just learned in the first slide of this video, that is here. Uh, yeah. As you can see right here, it is one, two, three, four. So it is what? It is tetravalent in nature. So here the right answer is tetravalent. This one. Then dash stores large amount of energy. कौन large amount of energy को store करता है अपने अंदर? Whether it's covalent bond, whether it's ionic bond, and whether it's cellular bond. As we have just learned in this slide, that covalent bond always stores large amount of energy because ये देखें कि दोनों जब एटम्स हैं वो अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर कर रहे हैं तो उसके बाद ये जो कोवलेंट बॉन्ड बना रहे हैं they always share large amount of energy, right? So here the correct answer will be the covalent bond because this is the bond that is made when the atoms share their electrons in their shells, and that's why it stores large amount of energy. So here the correct answer is covalent bond. So guys, we are done with today's lecture. If you guys got any queries, you can ask them below in the comment section and I can get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching.